Welcome to another edition of Scott's Man Cave, and today we're going to get more in depth on the torque converter pressure charge regulator that I run. Now, a lot of people are wondering, why exactly do you run one? Well, there could be a varying different reasons, but for me in this particular application, this is a dragster, is like right now I'm in Texas. It's 108 degrees outside. Humidity is about 77%, so the motor doesn't make as much power as it normally would, so therefore the converter tends to be a little too tight. So I can go in and turn the pressure down and get the converter loosened up so it'll run down the track better. That's one thing I use it for. Another thing that I tend to use this for is if the track's really hot and slick, I'll tend to lower the pressure in the converter, which lets it stall more, slip more, and it's less susceptible to blowing the tires off at the shift and running down the track. So there's a multitude of reasons why you would use one of those. For example, if you want more mile an hour, for example, you just turn the pressure up. You got to be careful though, you'll knock the thrust bearing out of the motor if you get too high. Every motor is a little different. Big block about 95 psi, small block about 85 is about all you want to go. In a Chevrolet, of course Ford, Dodge, and so on are a little different than that. But if you got any questions, comments, please leave them below. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching Scott's Man Cave.